Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken satay curry. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Looking at the photographs of this curry, I can assure you it tastes a lot better than it looks. Okay, the first thing we need to do is prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken thighs into 3 or 4 equal pieces, put in a suitably sized bowl, and then add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cornflour and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and give it a good mix together. When that's done, that's the chicken sorted. Then it's time to prep the sauce. To do this, in a suitably sized jug or bowl, add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cream coconut grated, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cornflour and 300 ml of warm water. Then mix it well until the coconut is all dissolved into the sauce. And when this is done, it's time to cook. First thing we do to do this is heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's nice and hot, add the chicken and fry off for about 5 or 6 minutes until the chicken is just cooked through. And when this is achieved, simply remove the chicken and reserve. When you removed all the chicken, it's time to add the garlic and ginger to the pot and stir around and fry for a minute before you add the chilies, onions and peppers. And continue to fry for 2 or 3 minutes until they start to soften. And when this is achieved, it's time to add the chicken back to the pan and mix in well. Then it's time to add the sauce you prepared earlier to the pot and mix through. Then continue to cook for a further 5 or 6 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you want. Then simply serve. We hope you give this recipe a try. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now.